Welcome to the Python training session. Today we are covering topic 5, string in Python. First of all, we will understand what is a string. String are text or values which are placed in between the single quote or the double. It contains alphanumeric values. In Python, we can write the string value either within the single quote or within the double quote. String can contain single character or more than one character. Next is string operation. We can perform different types of operations on the string value. Inside the string, each character will have a positional value called index value. It starts with a 0. The first operation we are performing on the string is indexing. What is indexing? Retrieving a single character based on the given index position is called indexing. For example, the string str1 contains the word Sanjay. Suppose if I say str1 of 3, so character in the third position it is written. Character in the third position is J. It is written in J. Like that, if I say str1 of 0, it returns the character in uppercase. S, which is the character in the 0th position. The second operation we are doing is slicing. What is slicing? It retrieves group of characters. Like we will be specifying, for example, 0 to 3. 0 to 3 means starting from 0 position, it will print the character up to the second position. Character in the third position will not be written because in Python, we have a rule. What is a rule? The upper limit will be always taken one number below. It will return up to the second index position only. So here we have used a colon. Colon is called as range operator. The third operation we have called repetition. What is repetition? It prints the string for the specified number of times. For example, here I have mentioned str1, which is my variable name, into 2. So value stored in str1 is Sanjay. So therefore, that name we have given, since it is given like into 2, it is printing 2 times. The third operation is concatenation. Concatenation is nothing but joining the 2 or more string value. And what is the operator we are using for concatenation? We are using the plus operator to concatenate both the string. For example, here I have given str1, which contains the value Sanjay, plus welcome to the Python session. After concatenation, you will get this value as a Sanjay, welcome to the Python session as a output. Let us see the example. Let us see the example for this. So in this particular example, I am accepting the first name and the last name from the user. First operation I am demonstrating is concatenation. So second operation we are demonstrating here is indexing, which returns the value in the specified position. Third operation we are showing here is slicing. Fourth operation we are showing here is a repetition. So let me execute the program and I'll show you the output. So for example, first name I'm accepting is Vijaya. Second name I'm accepting is Lakshmi. So you can see the output of all the results. Vijaya plus Lakshmi got concatenated. You got Vijayalakshmi. Indexing, I have given full name too. Character in the second position, index position is J, so it is returning J. Splicing, I have given 2 to 5, starting from second position up to fifth position, it is returning the character. And then repetition. So here I have given into 3, so name Vijaya has been printed 3 times. Thank you.